Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Good morning, class. Okay, so in the straight line, first we will look at some one question which is based on the position of a point relative to the line. Okay, then we will move to the angle between the two straight lines. Okay, so basically we are at of a point, position of a point relative to a line. Okay, so here like question is given like point 3 comma 4 and minus 9 comma 6 lies on the side of 7x plus 5 minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, so here like what we can do first putting both points in the given equation. It means 7 into 3 plus 5 into 4 minus 9, which will become 32. Similarly, 7 into minus 9 plus 5 into 6 minus 9, so which will be minus 42. So as both are opposite sign, so they lies opposite side of the given line, because this is positive case and this is negative one. Okay, so both will lie in the opposite directions. Okay. Oh, the next thing is angle between two straight lines. This is important. Angle between two straight lines. Okay, so here like the angle between two straight line, like the lines are given y is equals to m1x plus c1. Similarly, y is equals to m2x plus c2. Now, angle which is tan theta, which will become m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so like if one line is parallel to y-axis, then angle between two straight lines is given by these are some points, like one line parallel to y-axis. So then angle becomes tan theta is equals to plus minus 1 by m. Okay, so m is the slope of the other straight line. Okay, this we know, I think, right? Next thing, like if the equation of the line are given in the form like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus this b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, then tan theta will become tan theta is equals to a1 b2 minus b1 a2 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Okay. Here are two angles between two lines, but generally we consider the actual angle as the angle between them. So in all the above formula, we will take only positive of tan theta. Okay, means consider positive of tan theta. Next thing is like parallel lines. Two lines are parallel, then the angle between them is 0. Means angle between them is 0. So we can write m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, which is become tan 90 degree. Okay, so which is infinity, right? So here m1 m2 will become minus 1. Sorry, sir, m1 this m1, this is m1 will be equals to m2 because it's going to infinity, no? So in parallel m1 will become equals to m2. So even parameters a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So it means for parallel a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. Okay, and here it will be tan 0 degree, so it will be 0 only. It will be 0 because we are solving for parallel lines now. So angle between them is 0. So tan 0 is 0. So m1 equals to m2, right? Next thing is for the similar ones, which is for perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. So here in this case, angle between them is 90. Angle between them is 90 degree. So it means m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 is equals to tan 90 degree, which is infinity. So we can say m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. So line a1x plus b1y plus C1 is equals to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is also equals to 0. So here both the lines are perpendicular. So in this case, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equals to 0. Okay. Similarly, the next thing is this coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay, so like two lines like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and the second one is again a1x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are coincident line are coincident line only and only if A1 divided by A2 is equals to B1 divided by B2 is equals to C1 divided by C2. Okay. Let's look at some question. Like question is given angle between y is equals to x plus 6, y is equals to x plus 6, and y is equals to under root 3x plus 7. Okay, so is here m1 is equals to 1 and m2 is equals to root 3. So now we have to find angle. So tan theta is equals to 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. So which will be tan inverse 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So which is 15 degree. Next one is like question, if 7x plus 3y plus 9 is equals to 0 and y is equals to kx plus 7. So these are two These are two parallel lines. Then A is okay. So here m1 is equals to minus 7 by 3 and m2 is equals to k. So two lines are parallel if m1 is equals to m2. It means k is also minus 7 by 3. This is the required answer. Next question is equation of line which passes through which passes through minus 3 comma 2 and perpendicular perpendicular to the perpendicular to the 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. Okay, so here in this case, let the equation be 4x minus 3y plus k is equals to 0. Which line passes through minus 3 comma 2. So hence 4 into minus 3 into 2 plus k is equals to 0. So here k is equals to 18, right? So 4x minus 3y plus 18 is equals to 0. And it's the required equation. Because for parallel case, we know equation of line like ax plus by plus c equals to 0 will become x plus by plus k is equals to 0. And for perpendicular, x plus by plus c is equals to 0 will become bx minus ay plus k is equals to 0. Next is equation of equation of straight lines through x1 y1. This making an angle alpha with y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, so like this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So a line is given y is equals to mx plus c. Now one more line is given which is at alpha, and this is point p x1 y1. So it will be alpha. So it means we can write y minus y1 is equals to m minus plus tan alpha divided by 1 plus minus m tan alpha and x minus of x1. Okay, so here we are taking one question, like one of the vertex of an equilateral triangle, like one of the vertex of an equilateral triangle is 2 comma 3, and and equation of line opposite to vertex equation of line opposite to vertex is x plus y is equals to 2. Then equation of remaining two sides are, okay. So we are going to solve this. So since the two sides make an angle of 60 with the side x plus y is equals to 2, therefore equations of these sides will be y minus 3 is equals to minus 1 plus minus tan 60 divided by 1 minus plus minus 1 tan 60, and here it's x minus 2. So it will be minus 1 plus minus under root of 3, 1 plus minus under root of 3. Here it's x minus 2. So it will be y minus 3 is equals to 2 plus minus under root by 3 and x minus of 2. So it's a required equation, right? Next thing is this condition of concurrency. Okay, so like three lines are given, like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Similarly, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equals to 0. So these are said to be concurrent if they passes through the same point. Now the conditions will be a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 is equals to 0. So again, to test the concurrency of three lines, first find out the point of intersection of any two of three lines. If this point lies on the remaining lines, then the three lines are concurrent. Okay, like what we can say, if P is equals to 0, Q is equals to 0, and R is equals to 0, then the equation of any three lines and P plus Q plus R is equals to 0. Line R concurrent, but its converse but its line is concurrent, but its converse is not true. Means its converse is not true. Which is P plus Q plus R is equals to 0. Right? So copy it here first. Next is length of perpendicular. Okay, so like the length P of perpendicular of the form of the point x1 y1 on the line x plus by plus c equals to 0. So length of perpendicular is always equals to modulus of a1x plus by1 ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root of a square plus b square. Okay, so here there are two cases like length of perpendicular from origin on the line from origin on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which will become c by under root of a square plus b square. Okay, and the second one is like length of perpendicular from the point x1 y1 on the line x cos alpha plus y sine alpha, which is equals to p is x1 cos alpha plus y1 sine, which is equals to p, right? So here like distance between two parallel lines will what it will become. So distance between two parallel lines will become modulus of c1 minus c2 by under root of a square plus b square. Okay, this is distance between two parallel lines. Okay, now the question is given. We have to find distance between 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 6x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. So solution you can write 7 minus 3 by 2, like 3 by 2, yeah, 3 by 2, and divided by 3 square plus 2 square. So it will be 11 by 2 divided by under root of 13, which is 11 by 2 root 13. And this is the answer. Okay. So in the next class, we will start with the bisectors of angle between two lines. Okay. Okay, so thank you guys.